Good morning, guys. I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group. It's February the 16th and I'm going to run through what we're looking for this morning's markets. Just a quick one before we get going. Just let me know any comments or any ideas you guys have about the markets this morning. It'd be great to have your feedback. So just leave a comment in the box below and always click subscribe to never miss a video again. Okay, cool. So euro dollar, right? So this is my big line. This was this big past market angle I had in, and for me now this looks like it's a goner. The only thing is that if this is the pullback, I was looking for this pullback into this zone for a potential bounce. So I'm just going to be a bit wary of here. I think it probably tests 111.20 again, and then we could see it bounce. The only thing is, I just feel that this is going to be in a bit of no man's land at the moment. I mean, we could get one more push, and I think the push takes it properly down to 111.20, but that's where I think it holds. I think that 111.10, 111.20 area is quite a good zone. And yes, we have bounced, it seems, but I do just feel at the moment that we're going to potentially push lower. On the day, we are back in this 38, so we just got to try and find these high probability areas where this market could stop. So this is the next one lower. And let's just wait to see what happens. I don't think that's particularly the clearest market at the moment, but this is my past market angle on the top side that has to be broken for me to be thinking about the long side for euro. Okay, so cable's still sideways, but we are kind of at the bottom of this sideways range now. So if you say that this has been going sideways, we're looking down towards 144 for a buy and back up to 145 for a sell. So I mean, look how messy it is. There's fibs everywhere, so let's just take these off. There's no point having them in when the market's like this. Okay, cool. So that's them all off. So yeah, let's just look at this on from a bit more of a neutral perspective. We are making high highs and high lows, but then it's just being taken out all over the place. So you just got to play this one as a range at the moment. Nothing particularly that I'm looking to play in this one. I'd probably be looking to play against other currencies that potentially could be strong today, but nothing very clear in cable. I don't think that these moves are very clear at all. So be looking for the breakout. I think the breakout through the top side's got to go through this as trend line, and then you're looking for a bit more of a clear move, which, as I've talked before about, I think 146. 90 is my level up there, so that's where I'm looking for this to go to the top side. And then obviously for the downside, then you've got 143.95, 143.30 and 142.45. So we've got a bit of space both ways, but you're just looking for this to break out. I know that 143.80 is a big level on the bottom side, so I'll definitely be looking at 143.80 as a potential buy zone for today. So dollar yen's at its D on the hourly. I like this. It's kind of coming out to its outer trend line as well. So you could just get one more push up to the 127 and then it fail. However, we just look like we are rounding off a little bit. On the MACD, I believe that we have divergence as well. So I think that this could just roll over. It certainly looks like it looks quite heavy now. So it's not trending nicely like it was up here. And on the daily, we are looking we're looking fairly bullish, to be fair, on this one. We've got the 38s up at, where's that, 115.90. So we've got to work out how we're going to get up there. 115.90 I think is probably a good zone. So maybe we just have a bit of a deep pullback and then go again. I think this just looks heavy. I've got a feeling that this is going to pull back today. So we'll just wait and see. If I'm going with my gut instinct, that's what I think. 114.80, we've got good resistance up there as well. So maybe a pullback. I think 113.50 is probably the 38. So you're looking potentially into that and lower highs and just take that on the way down. So I think that could be quite a good trade today on the short side. Obviously, if you're going to play the bounce and proper bounce, you're looking for this 38 to be taken on to 115.80. But again, I'd have to wait for the pullback. So this 113.50, if we just put this zone in here, this would certainly be a buy zone for me. And I'd definitely be looking to potentially buy some in there. So let's just wait to see what happens with that. Obviously, it's got to go back through these lows again now. 113.30, 114.30, sorry, is quite a key level for dollar yen. Okay, dollar CAD. This one again it's just not moving at any sort of speed. I hope this was going to be a nice move, and yes, okay, this past market angle worked perfectly, and we are trading down now. We're actually at the 127, so that's a better sign. So I think 113.16, 137.16 gets taken on today. I think that's the level. I believe that's my day. I've got a daily level down there as well. What's that one? Yeah, 137.16. I think that makes a lot of sense. So I'd just be looking for a 15-minute counter trend line for that one, and then I think maybe a bounce. So if I was going to predict this, it's going to go bounce and then lower high and then go down. I think 137.16. So if you can get in at any good price up there, if I set some good prices, where would I be looking to take this? Okay, so maybe if you got a bit of a pullback into sort of towards 38, looks like there's some good sellers there. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe sort of 38.20, but certainly into that 138 zone, I'll be looking to sell this because it's not completed yet. So I'm just looking for this to take one more one more swing down, and I think 137.15 is quite a good target for dollar CAD. So you might see weakness in the morning for the Canadian dollar, but I do think it strengthens into this afternoon, which is what we've always said about the dollar CAD. So Aussie and Kiwi are both just sideways. There was some poor data out of New Zealand overnight, so if I just tell you exactly what that was. So you had retail sales a miss at 1.2 rather than 1.4. Yes, it wasn't the best from New Zealand, and obviously that sold off a little bit on the back of that. But still, Aussie and Kiwi, as I just showed in these charts, they both remain pretty sideways. Nothing particularly to trade there, except for just, you know, box it up. You're looking for the top side as potential sells, and bottom sides for the potential buys. So I'd just be looking to sell this potential 15-minute lower high, and then we're looking to sell that through there, because we are just banging this range at the moment until it proves to me that it wants to break out. You're looking at good levels of resistance up at 71.65 and 71.90. So just be wary that's probably the lower side of the range. Interestingly, is this Kiwi on a past market angle? Yeah, okay, so this is probably quite a good buying opportunity in Kiwi at the moment. What have you done? A, B. Oh, okay, cool. So and we're at the D. So this is probably quite a good buy here in the Kiwi. Is there any support here? Not really. Okay, so I've just got this at a past market angle here. We have bounced, and I believe this is the D on the downwards fib. So we could have a pullback into sort of 66.30. So not very far, not far enough for me to take this. But this could be the potential bounce zone in the Kiwi dollar. Nothing particularly a lot here though. So, and we're kind of at the bottom of the range. So probably quite a good little buy zone. It's probably worth a buy, to be fair, in the Kiwi at the moment. Although my next level down 65.60. So I am looking down towards sort of here. Yeah, I mean that's just the low of the range, but it definitely is sideways, and you could probably just get a nice, easy, sneaky one to buy this. So Aussie and Kiwi are in ranges. So is cable. Euro dollar looks like it wants to go a little bit lower. Dollar yen's bounced nicely, and dollar CAD I think could sell off in the afternoon. So they're my predictions for today, guys. I hope that's been useful. As I said, click subscribe and to never miss a video again. I'm going to go over to the virtual floor, so it'd be great if you could come over there. But yep, happy trading, and I will speak to you tomorrow.